What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I got a special video for you guys. So I just received a care package from this company called Pig Out. They make pigless pork rinds is what they're called. And they're super high in protein, 25 grams per bag. And they sent me 4 different flavors. So let me show you guys what I got in here. I love the packaging too. As you guys can see, look at that. It says Pig Out right there. And then right here, kind of has like all of the, all the little facts about the company and whatnot, and talks about how clean the ingredients are compared to the other chips that you can find. Like it says right here, 75% less sodium and 67% less saturated fat than traditional pork rinds, which is great. And they're free from gluten, soy, GMOs, cholesterol, and trans fats. And yeah, they're also baked, not fried, which is a huge plus. And yeah, so let me show you guys what we got inside here. First flavor is hella hot. So I'm assuming these are gonna be spicy. And yeah, look right there, guys. 25 grams protein per bag. So I can't wait to try these. I haven't opened them yet because I'm gonna be doing this video for you guys. So we'll open them a little bit later and try them out. But this one is probably gonna be my favorite. If you guys know me, I'm a huge barbecue fan. So I got Texas barbecue. And then the last two are these ones right here. I got nacho cheese and the original. So I'm actually gonna be making some nachos with these. So I'm super excited to show you guys that recipe, but first we gotta run to the grocery store. So I'm gonna bring you guys along real quick to the grocery store and show you what I'm gonna get to make some nachos with these. Avocados right here, gonna be using this for the nachos. Black beans, barbecue jackfruit, jalapenos. All right, back from the grocery store, it's time to try these chips. I'm so hungry. I wanna give them a taste test and let you guys know what I think, so let's do it. These ones are the hella hot. I'm not really a fan of super spicy stuff, but those aren't even really that spicy, so they taste good. Barbecue. I have a feeling these are gonna be my favorite. Oh yeah, found them. Barbecue ones are fire. Now, oh, almost spilled some. Nacho cheese, there it is. Look at that focus, yes. So these are the nacho cheese ones. Nacho cheese ones are good. Now on to the original. Kind of curious what these are gonna taste like. I haven't had pork rinds in forever. And I think when I did have pork rinds, they were flavored. So I don't think I've ever had unflavored ones. Let's give these original ones a try. Tastes good. Honestly, probably use these as the base for the recipe that I'm gonna make, which I will show you guys right now. All right, guys, so we are about to get started. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So I got 1 can of black beans, some Fiesta blend cheese. I'm gonna use more than this, but I just wanted to put some on the plate to show you guys. And then I got the pigless pork rinds right here. I'm definitely gonna be using way more of these, but I don't have enough room to show everything. So I got the nacho, barbecue, and the original. And then I'm probably gonna use some of the hella hot a little bit later. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do that. And then I got the barbecue jackfruit right there and 1 whole creamy avocado. So let's get to it. The first thing I'm gonna do is cook up this jackfruit. And with jackfruit, you can pretty much eat it raw. So all I'm gonna do is heat this up, and then we'll start plating this meal. So this is the barbecue jackfruit right here. As you can tell, it kind of has that pulled pork consistency. So I'm gonna heat this up on the pan real quick, and then we should be good to go. All right, so I just heated this up on the stove, and as you can see, it's got that like pulled pork texture. Now you can probably see it a lot closer. And yeah, this is gonna be really good for these nachos. And then if I move this away, this is the base of the nachos right here. So I got the 3 different kinds, like I said, and we are about to start plating it. All right, guys, so I'm just spooning this perfect avocado into here so I can mix it with some lemon and some salt and pepper and make kind of like a simple guac. I mean, this avocado though, look at this. No black spots even on the inside. Man, come on. Organic too, cannot beat it. So I'm just heating up the black beans right here, and since they're already canned, they're pretty much already cooked. All you gotta do is heat them up. So I add a little bit of fresh lemon juice, or a lot, just a little bit of salt and black pepper. And then we just mix it all up. And there is the finished product. All right, let's get to layering these. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add some of the cheese on top here. That way the hot beans and the hot jackfruit can melt it a little bit. And now I'm gonna add the beans to it. And we'll go ahead and start adding the jackfruit. And I just crushed up some of the nacho pigless pork rinds, and I'm gonna sprinkle these on top. And then I got some unsweetened plant-based yogurt right here. This kind of works as the sour cream, but I like this unsweetened plant-based yogurt so much more. It's the Kite Hill brand, super good. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some of the jalapenos. And then I'm gonna add 2 big things of guac on each end. Scratch that, I'm actually gonna put it on all 4 sides. And then I'll finish off with the last bit of the yogurt. And aside from me making a little bit of a mess, that is a wrap. All right, check it out, guys. Oh my gosh, let us dig in. All right, guys, check out that beautiful sight. Man, I brought the fork out because I don't want to get my hands too messy. But a huge shout out to Outstanding Foods for sending me the Pigless pork rinds. Super nice of them. They told me to make something cool with it, make a recipe and send it to them. And I figured, why not make some nachos? And these ones, man, they look delicious. I haven't tried them yet, but let us have a taste test for you guys. I'm trying to get everything in one. Little guac, little barbecue jackfruit, some of the pork rinds. So there is a nice looking bite. If it focuses, will you please? There it is. All right, time to try this out. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk because I gotta chew it all. Super delicious. The barbecue jackfruit gives it a very nice flavor. Then the tanginess from the guac because I added a little too much lemon, but it actually mixes in pretty well. Look at that jackfruit, just like pulled pork. Look at that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take a seat and enjoy these nachos. There's no way I'm gonna be able to finish them because that plate is loaded. But again, a huge shout out to Outstanding Foods. If you guys see them in your stores, make sure to check them out because the food is really good. I tried them already like you guys saw before, and the chips on their own are super tasty. And if you wanna get creative, you can make some fun stuff like I made these nachos or whatever your heart desires. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. That would help me out a ton. And of course, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. I would love to hear your guys' feedback. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.